In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a weekly review template in Obsidian that will help you reflect, plan, and stay organized. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and navigate to the vault where you keep your notes. If you don't already have a dedicated place for reviews, go ahead and click New Folder in the File Explorer pane on the left. Name it Reviews so everything stays tidy and easy to find later. Once the folder is created, click on it to select it, then click New Note and title it Weekly Review. This will be your template note, the one you duplicate or copy each week to keep your reflection consistent. Now let's build the structure of your review. Inside the note, add 4 main section headings: wins, challenges, lessons learned, and next week's priorities. These aren't just random categories. They give you a balanced framework to celebrate progress, acknowledge roadblocks, capture wisdom, and set clear targets going forward. Under wins, write down what went well. Maybe you finished a big task or had a productive day. Under challenges, note any problems or obstacles you faced, like a missed deadline or a difficult conversation. For lessons learned, jot down key insights from the week, something you'd want to remember next time. And under next week's priorities, list your top goals for the coming days. To make your review even more actionable, use checklists for any unfinished tasks. In Obsidian, a checklist is just a hyphen followed by a space and square brackets. For example, you might write dash, space, open bracket, space, close bracket, follow up with client, and another line for complete project. That way you can track what still needs attention and mark it done when you follow through. Also, add tags at the bottom of the note like tip weekly review, planning, and tip productivity. Tags make it easy to search and group related notes later. When next week rolls around, create a new note in the reviews folder. You can duplicate your original template or write a fresh one. Just keep the same sections and tags so your reviews stay consistent. And here's a pro tip. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open Obsidian's command palette. Then start typing the name of any past review to jump right to it. You've now got a simple but powerful weekly review system in Obsidian that will help you stay reflective and on track. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.